Here we go. We're gonna be doing another lot walk today. Got a few new cars in. As you can see, we're thinning out, man. More stuff selling than I'm buying. I'm trying my best to keep up. But there is a lot of new inventory here, and I think there's gonna be some stuff you're gonna really like. So, go to maplemotors.com at 12 o'clock today, and we'll have it updated. Doing a full lot walk. Let's get it. Once again, welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I've already got most of the test drives ready for this week. I think I've got 3 left to do, and I'll have them done by tomorrow. You'll see about 2 videos popping out every single day here on our YouTube channel. A lot of test drives, going over chips, scratches, flaws. How does it run and drive? I'll tell you what's wrong with the cars. I'm not trying to sell you a car. Of course, you can call up here and talk to any of us, 615-822-4444. We just want you to know everything before you buy. Because, I mean, they're 50 plus years old. There's going to be little issues, and we keep the price down. So we don't go and fix every little issue. We don't have the time anyways, but you'll see about 50 cars on average going through this car lot every single 30 days. Even on a slow month. Let's go ahead and get started here. 1970 Chevy El Camino sitting on the front row here. This one's $20,900. And of course, with every car lot, there's going to be a few cars that sit around, so you may see some stuff from last week, but there's always new inventory, and we're always going through them. 1972 Chevy El Camino sitting right next to the 70. This one's priced at $17,900. Now you're going to love this next one. It's a 1972 Chevy Chevelle LS. Underneath is awesome. Drivetrain on this one is sweet. Super cool, super clean. Wait till you see the undercarriage shots. 37.9, bucket seats. It's pretty quick, actually. Car runs great. Aftermarket set of Boss wheels, disc brakes. Yeah, it's got it going on. It's a 4-wheel disc brake car, too. It's got it on the rear as well. 1969 Chevy Chevelle, right next to this one, $28,900. At that price, it won't be here long. Next to that, 1966 Pontiac Le Mans convertible in green. This one's new to the website as well. $27,900. Bucket seats, white interior, Willwood brakes, set of Riddlers. Very popular style and different brands. It's a 4-wheel disc brake car too. What about another new one? 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. That's a 4-speed car. Blue with the black stripes. Priced at $41,900. Okay. Again, guys, there's 100 detailed pictures on each car here at Maple Motors at maplemotors.com. You could get pre-approved with our financing. That way you see something come in one of these weeks and you say, I'm just going to go ahead and get it. I'm pre-approved for this amount. People do it all the time, and they also get the shipping quotes ahead of time. That way you know all your figures. I mean, you could just call the shipping company on our website, and they'll give you a quote like that. All you need is a zip code. Let's run this way. Or walk. 1972 Plymouth Satellite. 440 6-pack car. $28,900. Today is wash day too. We need to figure it out where we wash the cars before the walk around. So we wash them on Mondays, but it's usually after and later in the day. 1957 210 trim package. This is a LS car too. $27,900. She's fast. Built motor. 1957 Chevy Bel Air, 4-speed car, price at $34,900, red with the black and white interior. She's looking real good today. You are too, don't worry. This one said she's ready to go to a new home. It's a 1967 Chrysler Newport. White with a black interior, priced at $12,900. This has been dropped multiple times and it's at a final price of $15,900. 1975 Chevy Impala. Give us a call on it. Let's make a deal. What about something new? You like something new, it's refreshing, right? 1966 Dodge, was this a Monroe? Monaco. What am I talking about? We don't ever get these in. It's a Monaco. Monroe. You like that, didn't you? She's kind of a mutt though.
It runs though.
It does. I heard it, but it's $7,000, so you can't complain too much. At least you get to see all the body work and everything. It looks pretty straight. Interior's in good shape. I don't know if we've ever had a Monaco. I don't know why I called it a Monroe. It looked like it. Monaco. Okay, this one's also ready to go to a new home. 1972 T-Bird. Also $79.50. Everybody asks for them cars under $10,000. We try to keep them on the lot. Right now, I think we've got, what, 2? These are it. There might be another one lurking around. Okay, so we got another half of the lot to show off, but before we do that, we're going to go to the showroom. Guys, if you ever want to pick up any kind of gear from Maple Motors, merchandise, we have that available at maplemotors.com. Again, that's a very important website. If you're watching this video, you get that update, but you need to go there for the main update to see what cars are still available. And of course, while we're talking about shirts, we got them right here, multiple designs. You can pick them up online. We are slowly running out of them, and we're gonna do that all the way through April, and then we're gonna take a little bit of a break, so you might not be able to pick up a shirt after April. Go ahead and get it now. Right now, Hot Wheels room. This is here on premises. Literally, when you're at Maple Motors, you got a couple things you could do. You could look at the Hot Wheels. We've got a lot of stereo audio equipment. We got wheels and tires, and we've got cars available. But you can check this out here on premises. Pops has been doing these Hot Wheels for about 10 years. Well, way more than 10 years. But he's heavy into it now. He's got a lot. This is only about 10% of his collection, so he's actually been doing this longer than I've been alive. But I'm going to say heavy the last 10 years. Okay, we'll pick one and roll out. $40 Volkswagen drag truck. Hot Wheels Real Riders. Well, the showroom is empty this week. Don't have anything available in here. These are all sold cars or personal rides. Got some rims available. Come off my new van. If you want to buy those, they're available. $800. Good tires. A little rash around the edge though. The previous owner, I guess, hit some of the curbs at McDonald's. There's all the actual shirts and all the different colors. We are running out of different sizes, so be sure to get them before we run out. And then I'm gonna say by next fall we'll probably have some new stuff. A lot of wheels and tires. So hey, you see cars on the lot that you like but you don't like the wheels, we've got tons of them. I'm talking like we've got a warehouse full. Nothing in the back today. Again, we're selling more than we're buying at the moment, and that'll change next week. We got some big shows to go to, guys. I'll be going to one about 3 hours from here, and then my uncles are going out of state to another one, so we're going to 2 shows at once. This one here, 1979 Dodge Little Red Express Wagon. This is a project truck priced at $15,900. Yeah, we'll probably bring in, I hope to say, 30 cars next weekend. That doesn't mean they're going to be going on the website. When they come in, what we got to do is go over them, check everything out. Yeah, this is a little bit of a project truck. I just wanted to give y'all the heads up. We're not going to run out. We're going to buy more. This is our sold bay. Just a huge bay of cars that got away from us before we could list them. That's okay though. And again, you'll see a few rides, I think almost 10. But we stock 30 at all times, and I think this week, what are we at, 32, 33? Current inventory is 32, 33. 1965 C10 in teal. 27.9, it's got the white interior. And again, aftermarket set of wheels, any kind of wheels you see on the lot, I mean, we can change them. They're super easy. Talking 6 lugs on this one, and get them off. Right over here, new inventory. How about a 1972 Dodge Challenger? This one's purple. Love it. Bucket seats, 28.9. I haven't test drove it yet. I'm going to do that today, actually. So you'll probably see this one come out in a few days. 1965 Mustang convertible. This one's 29.9. And right here in springtime, it should sell. 1970, a little hot rod Nova. This one's built 25.9. 1969 Pontiac Firebird, 34.9. Yeah, this one's been here a little bit. I'm surprised this one hasn't sold, but in a sense, it's a streetable drag car. It really is. It's super fast, 502 big block gear fenders, roll cage. 1969 Chevy Camaro, priced at $42.9. Candy apple drop top, 1967 supercharged Camaro, 350 under the hood on this one, $39.9. Yeah, beautiful paint job too. 1970 Ford fastback conversion car. This is a clone. I don't think we've ever had a 70 fastback clone. We had a 69 a few years ago. I did remember that after I said it last time. But I think this is the first 70. It's priced at $27.9. Get you a fastback without spending 50 grand. Not too bad. You can change the wheels, like I said. If you don't like them, we got some in stock. We're not done yet. I've got 3 Fox bodies left. We'll start over here. This one, price drop. It was $17.9. It's $15.9 now. 1993 Ford Mustang LX. Now this was born a 4-cylinder. Now has the Cobra motor. A lot of Cobra gear. Brakes. 5-speed. Test drive went well. Flowmaster's out the back. Check it out. Pick it up. Now we have 2 convertible Mustangs up here. What's this one? An 87? 87 Ford Mustang GT convertible in purple. Pops like to call it blue. That's purple. Got the 505 speed. No, this is an automatic. Automatic car, his and hers, white interior. Aftermarket set of wheels. Looks like it's got Corvette emblems on them. Next to that, this is one of 1,500 cars. It's an all-white edition Mustang, 93 model, $13.9. This one's the 5-speed. Like I said, all-white edition. That's white top, white paint, white interior. 5.0 5-speed, $13.9. And if I didn't tell you already on this one, it's $12.9. Bernie said we do landscaping now.
Hey, we do it all up here, man.
He's getting these ugly bushes out and putting some fake bushes in.
That's right. No, we don't have to worry about it.
No, don't have to worry about it. We've had those bushes for 20 years. What are you doing?
Pop said it's time for a change.
Yeah, those look a little ratty. Okay. Guys, one more time, we'll walk the lot. Make sure we didn't miss anything for one. We're all family here. Only hire family too. Non-employees. Anytime you come to this lot, make yourself at home. We don't chase you down. We don't ask you a million questions. We're not pressured to sell. I actually went to a place, like a pool place this weekend. it made me want to get out of there. I was just like, these guys, you ready to put a down payment? I'm like, dude, no, I'm here to just look around. Like, leave me alone. And it reminded me of exactly why we leave people alone up here at the lot. We're not gonna pressure. We just let you look. It's a car show. You don't see these every day, so enjoy yourself. If you need help, come in the office. Every once in a while, somebody will say, hey, how you doing? That's about as far as we'll go. Just make sure you're okay. But I have had some complaints in the past. Well, they don't come out and greet you. No, we just wave sometimes. But low pressure sales, exactly what we thrive on. You can check us out, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Sometimes I'll throw a bone out there and give you the early scoop on the other platforms. But everything leads back to these videos here on YouTube. I put them out first. All the test drives come out first here on YouTube. And then like 2 or 3 days later, you'll see them pop up on TikTok, Facebook. I don't know how long we're gonna have TikTok. There's rumors going around it may get shut down. If it does, that's fine. Again, main platform, YouTube here. But we had like a Nova last week, and it had 70 front end, 70 rear end, and 454 under the hood. Well, it had stickers that said 396 on those platforms. I mess around, and I'll even tell you here on YouTube about it. I'll say, hey, go watch that video just to get a kick out of it, because I said, hey, look, it's a 74 Nova with a 454, and I zoomed in on the 396 emblems, and I just kept talking about the car. It's actually back here. But yeah, somebody basically just cloned it. They put SS emblems on it and everything, and I just was seeing what happened. It causes a stir. People get in the comments and go wild. It was on this one. It blew up. It was a good video, but I did it on purpose. Soul Bay is looking good back here. We're gonna need some more room. We need to get these cars out of here. Okay. Well, like I said, a little bit low on inventory this week. You'll see a big change here soon. There's going to be a lot more inventory coming in the next couple weeks. I think this next week we're still going to have a little bit of a small update. There'll still be about 8 to 10 cars. But once we kick back into gear, it's about 15 cars a week. If we don't keep that up, we go out of business. And that won't be for long, because we'll find more cars. I think when I first started this YouTube thing, we got down to 4 cars in the inventory. And we were stocking 70 at the time. And of course, we'll always try to keep the prices down for you here at Maple Motors. Got a small markup. We don't have a large markup, no matter what people think on here. I'm telling you the truth, guys. There's no reason for me to lie or even bring this up, but we have a small markup. That's why we go through so many cars. So whatever you see on the window, we're paying pretty close to it, but we're still making money. We got 9 miles to feed. And we do enjoy our job, so we're trying to keep it, right? I gotta get started on some of this stuff. I haven't done any of the Mopars today. And yes, your Mopar guys have been asking for them. We got them in. Guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit subscribe, share, like, pass it on. That helps me out quite a bit. We didn't end up going to Struggles last week, but we are this week. Fusion Kid had the sniffles. I didn't want to be around him, and he was going to help me out with the whole process there. Make a better video. Got to make better videos. But yes, I need to get in this one and test drive. Well, Mopar's going to be knocked out the park today. I'm going to get them all done for you. I'm also going to go in there and build this one. Make sure to pick up merchandise. Check us out on all those platforms. If you haven't subscribed to them already, please do so. And I don't know, maybe we'll get some shirt giveaways this week like I was talking about. I'll mix them in. Let's do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.